Hello friends. In this video, we start with the intensity transformations in spatial domain. Let us first consider the image negative transformation for converting the black regions to white and vice versa. For an input image R and an output image S, the transformation is represented by S is equal to L minus 1 minus R, or S is equal to 255 minus R, where L minus 1 represents the maximum intensity, which is usually 255. Image negative is particularly suited for enhancing white or gray level details embedded in dark regions of an image, especially when the black areas are dominant in size. Let us now try to compute image negative using Python. So, as we have said earlier, we start with import CV2 library, then read the image. So the image I'm going to use here is a digital mammogram. This is the image. So this digital mammogram image has a small lesion. It is the same example used in the book Digital Image Processing, which is given in the references of this video. So we are going to read this image. So I use the variable as img1 and read the image by using cv2.imread. My image name is mammogram.diff. I'm reading it as a grayscale image. Now I store the negative of the image, or the negative of the image 1, in the variable image2, and that is calculated by L minus 1 minus R. Here our L minus 1 value is 255, and I subtract it with img1. Now we can try displaying these two images by using cv2.imshow function. I choose the name of the window as image or input image. And my input image is stored in the variable img_1. Then I display the image negative by using imshow function. The window name is image negative. And that is present in the variable img_2. Now we can use the cv2.waitKey function. And then we use cv2.destroy all windows. So let me save this Python file in the name negative in the working directory itself where the image is present. So I save this image. Now I try to run the program. So here you can see this is the original image or the original digital mammogram with a lesion, and this is the image negative. So in the result, you can see that the visual content is the same in both images, but it's much more clearer or easier to analyze the lesion in the negative image. So this is all with the image negative. Now these are the references you can go through So in the next part, we'll try with some other intensity transformations for spatial domain intensity transformations. Thank you.